Hi, everybody. Welcome aboard the Silver Nova with Silversea. Bonnie Lee here, and I am in the Medallion Suite. Let's take a walk through these lovely accommodations. There, of course, is your ocean view, no doubt. Great writing area, sitting area. If you do have to work, I'm really sorry that you have to work, but there is a place you could do some work. And I'm going to tell you right here, we do have a door that will slide. So this is your personal area. It remains your personal area if you want it. You just slide that door. Now, this is really interesting with this suite. Not the mirror, but that is cool. This is what's interesting. Do you know what a Jack and Jill bathroom is from back in the day? It was a walk-through bathroom, one bathroom to the next. So out here is the entrance to the suite, and here is your half bath. Remember, this is a suite, so you might be entertaining some guests if you're here with family. Maybe you're here doing a business meeting and you want to meet some of your colleagues, but you do need a restroom, you need a toilet. This is yours. Now this is the master bath. Now the interesting part here is you're thinking, I don't want to share this with guests. You don't have to. This does have a lock. Now take a look. This is your master bath area. Sinks with, of course, each of you has your own water temperature. Who does not love a bathtub when you're sailing Alaska, when you're sailing the Med, wherever the Nova goes? Remember, she sails around the world. You can have a fabulous bathtub. And look at the rounded shower, rain shower head, and also a handheld shower. Tons of space in there, probably more space than the average human could use on a cruise. Maybe if you did around the world, you could use it all. Here's your closet. Lots of hanging full, hanging half, along with shelves. Dressing and makeup area. Now, this is part of what I know you want. There are several things I know you want to know about this category. The bedding. Look at this. Of course, again, remember out here might be where you have an executive meeting. Maybe it's where your family gets together, but you want your space to be your space. All you have to do is slide the doors. Your space remains private. These doors as well close right up and keep it yours. Ah, did you say you wanted a cappuccino in the morning? This category and above does have a cappuccino machine. You can order wine into your room. You can order additional liqueurs, or I guess I should say liqueurs, whatever. But you can order that right into your room with your butler, because do remember, the Nova, the Silver Nova, is every suite is a suite. No cabins, all suite, all veranda, all butler. But when you go Medallion and above, you get additional things added to your package. This category, laundry begins to be yours. And that cappuccino machine, but I'm not sure if I would actually press that button. I'd probably call the butler. That's a lot of work in the morning. Oh, and I did talk about shelving. Look at this. So much more storage. If I were in this room category, I'd have to buy more clothes and I guess I would suffer. I would do it. Now, I said you were waiting for the bedroom. We saw it. And I know what else you're waiting for. The darn balcony. It's so fabulous. The lighting on this ship. Again, destination flows right with the sunlight into your suite. And here we are in Alaska, in her passage, and I can feel her coming in. So check. Oh, wait. I got to talk about this thing. So I have heard this holds fruit, but apparently in this suite, it also is a wine holder. I go more for the wine, don't you? I do. So let's check out the balcony. Oh, there's people out here. There's models. And this is how you enjoy it. Glass of wine. Maybe they're working, maybe they're not. I am not going to tell their boss. I'm going to keep my lips quiet. But look at the size of the balcony. Again, if you were doing this suite, maybe having an executive meeting, you could do a little entertaining out here as well. So with that said, I'm going to wish you a wonderful day, no matter where you are in the world. If you are at the farthest corner of Antarctica or you're home just enjoying family, I wish you the very best day ever. Bye.